Yummy, yummy. Yummy, yummy.
One down, one up. One down, one up. One down, one up. This is Wen Shuan, means with elegance. This is Wu Shuan, without elegance. Hi, I'm Miao. Welcome to watch my video about Beijing vlog. I hope I can give you some tips about traveling in Beijing. Today's topic is about food. You know, food is always the most popular topic on social media. And today I'm going to eat this restaurant, Beijing Copper Hot Pot. It's a very Beijing traditional style hot pot. It's different from Sichuan hot pot. It's no spicy at all. The broth is clean, and you can taste the fresh flavor of the lamb and the meat. The copper hot pot uses a copper and a charcoal to make the hot pot heating. So it's not convenient to eat it at home. So we usually go to the restaurant to have the hot pot. And this restaurant named Manhongji. This is the only one in Beijing, Manhongji. I think it's not that famous among tourists. The most famous restaurant about copper hot pot is Jubaoyuan. I mentioned it in my other video about Niujie. Jubaoyuan has many branch stores. It means you pay for the brand and you can open a restaurant about hot pot. So it's hard to guarantee the quality. You know, the taste and the service. Some of the restaurants are good, some of them are bad. But Manhongji, this is the only restaurant in Beijing. It doesn't expand, so it really gets my favor about it. Like me, the Beijing locals, we also go to Manhongji to have the copper hot pot. Every weekend, you have to wait for about 2 hours for the seat, unless you can come here early, maybe at 9 or 10 o'clock, so you don't have to wait in a line. And the Manhongji's location is also very good. It's just on the PingAn Avenue, inside the second Wen Road, in the inner town. It's very near the Shishanhai and Dianmen, the most popular scenic spots. And this avenue, the PingAn Avenue, there are many historical sites on this avenue, so it's near everywhere. Now, while I'm waiting for the seats, I'm going to give you a brief introduction about Shishanhai and the PingAn Avenue. I'm quite familiar with these places, so let's go. This avenue named PingAn Avenue. PingAn means safety. It's a good wishes. And this is the main street, link the west second ring road and the east second ring road. So it's an inner city avenue. And that side is the tram and the bell tower. This is the busiest crossing because many historical sites on this avenue. And that side is the Forbidden City. I'm quite familiar with this avenue. Basically, I grew up in this avenue. It's really near my home. And I remember when it had an intensive renovations in 1999. It used to be narrow and poor. There was a story during the renovation. When the project began, they found many pieces of china buried in the ground. And this news spread very fast among the people who interested in collecting these pieces. They were all very small pieces, so it's not valuable for the museum or the government. But it attracted many people who interested in it. So maybe these pieces can make a family rich. So these people in folk, they sneaked into the construction site and collected these pieces. Some of them were on TV later to told stories about they are picking up the pieces during the construction. And I remember the one man specifically. His nickname is 片儿白. 片儿 names pieces, and Bai is his last name. It's a very Beijing local nickname. So this is a very interesting story. So I remember it till now. Manhongji is really near this place, only 2 stops. This place, Shisha is the most famous scenic spot in Beijing. I think it attracted millions of people to come here every year. And you can see this place in every Beijing travel video. This place I often come when I was a kid. And maybe later I will take a video about this place. Maybe in winter because I'm still skating here. Can you see this lake? It become a skating place when it's winter. It's the Lotus. The name of this market is Lotus Market. It's a lotus season in Beijing, and it's a walking street. This is the subway station. So if you want to go to the Manhongji, the restaurant, you can take subway here and take 2 stops. You will arrive Manhongji. But if the weather is good, you also can walk there. It's only 2 kilometers. Only walk along this street, the Safety Avenue, PingAn Avenue. 2 kilometers, you will arrive Manhongji. Okay, enough introduction of the avenue, of the location, or something. It's time for lunch, so I can't wait to go back to the restaurant to have my hot pot and to show the hot pot for you. It's right in the corner of this crossing. Now I'm back to the restaurant Nanhengji, and my friend is already waiting for me. So let's go.你好，有人。It's 11:12 in the noon, and many people waiting for the seats now.
后头有个冰，哎，弟弟。
Hello. This is the copper pot, and in the middle is a chimney. The charcoal is placed at the bottom to ensure the even heating and maintaining the consistent flame. And this one is to adjust the flame. You can open it and close it. This is fresh cilantro, and you put this in the sesame paste. And this is scallion. I don't eat them, so I won't put it. And this is chili oil. I really like it. In my earlier video about sesame sauce, yeah, I made it at home, the sesame sauce. This is a must-eat sauce in Beijing.
菜来了，可以上着吃了啊！这是牛骨髓，这是羊肉，这是那个牛百叶。
Our meat is served. Now let me introduce them to you. This one is lamb, and this one is beef chop. I think you may heard of it. And this is beef bone marrow, and this is sheep tail fat. It may hurt ugly, but it tastes very good. This tramp needs some techniques to put it in the broth. You know, you have to put this one down, one up, one down, one up, one down, one up. 3 up, 3 down, and you can eat it. It will keep tender and not overcooked.
Yummy, yummy.
This bone marrow. Oh. If you want to eat hot pot, you must use the chopsticks well. It's very soft. There are 2 ways you put the food in the copper. One is Wen Shuan and another is Wu Shuan. Let me think how to translate it. I think it's with elegance or not with elegance. Wen Shuan it means with elegance. You pick the meat you want to eat. and clap it with your chopsticks. Just keep clapping it until it's ready to eat. It takes 18 seconds. The meat is ready to eat. Okay, and then you put in the sauce.
This is Wen Shuan.
And the next one is Wen Shuan. What is Wen Shuan? It's without elegance. You put all the meat in the copper. And waiting for them ready to eat. This is Wen Shuan. In some Beijing local, like my mom's age, they will think it's not polite. So when I do this with my mom, she will criticize me. But like me and my friends, I think it's okay because we don't have the patience, to Wen Shuan. And this way is very convenient. To clean the broth, the foam produced by the meat. Except the copper hot pot. This is the master order food in this restaurant. Oh, it's hot. It's Chinese style pancake with sugar in it. Can you see the sugar, the sweet? Oh, this is one. This name is very funny. It's one bite pancake, so it's small, and maybe you can, eat it with one bite. But I don't think I can make it. Very pretty. This is our list. Totally 454 yuan. It's 2 o'clock. Still many people waiting for the seats. Okay, I'm going to enjoy my hot pot now. And I hope one day you can come to Beijing to have this delicious copper hot pot. It's just not a culinary delight, but a cultural express. It preserves the dining habits and the cooking techniques of old Beijing. Okay, thank you for watching my Beijing vlog. All my videos about Beijing culture and Beijing life. And don't forget to subscribe me if you like my videos. Cheers! See you next time. I have 95 tables before me. Wow! Fortunately, I come here earlier enough.